a howdy do. Howdy doody time. Howdy doody time. Okay, guys. Of course, I'm going out to my usual 2 times a week. Tomorrow, I'll be going to see the doctors in the same place, actually. And somebody needs to cut the grass. Well, anyway, I'm fogging up. Let's I'd like to start this video out. I'd like to start it out by saying yo to the Smart Cowboy. That's following if you don't have him on your list of subs. I'll have his link down in my crankcase for y'all. Smart Cowboy just does not sound the same without having that accent. A while back, from what I understand, Mrs. Cowboy had a spill. It wasn't a real bad spill, but bad enough, you know? Bad enough. Bad enough to put a scare in. And from what I understand, and I was following this and talking to him about it. Well, I had the turn signal going in the wrong direction. But great guy. The missus is Mrs. Cowboy. Healing up good from what I understand. Actually, they went out, not too long ago to little doings they put together. The wine tasting thing they have. And I'll tell you, it sounds like a hoot. It really does. And from what I understand what they do, what he explained on his video. And I guess Mrs. Cowboy actually won wine tasting contest they had, and it was, that's good. That's like fantastic. Today it's actually a rainy day. I wasn't too sure if I was going to be able to get the bike out today without being able to make a video. I mean, I can always get the bike out if it rains. That's not a big deal. Don't want to kill the camera. Don't want to kill the camera. But, I'd like to put out an apology to Jose Killer Angel. I really butchered his name on the day before Memorial video. And to be honest to be fair about it though, I live down just north of Washington, D.C. and I knew a few people, and they spelled their name that way, and some of them pronounce it Jose, and some of them pronounce it Jose. So, I mean, there's really, it's one of those for me. I kind of looked at it like, wow, I can't win for losing on that one, you know. So I butchered his name up, and I give him my apologies whenever I make a mistake. I admit to it and apologize and move on, guys. That's the way I roll. And I did get told a couple times, well, I think this is how it's pronounced. Yeah, that might be so. And it is. That's somebody that's riding my butt. Riding my butt. Trying to signal him to back off. Pass him up and I'll freaking ride over his ass. Came close on that one. Oh, I wish I had my camera turned backwards on it. Hold my breath. Thought I was going to have a rear-ended KLR and me all over the place. Freaking people. But that's basically the extent of my Memorial Day. It was actually fairly uneventful. I wanted to go out into the beach, but it rained here most of the day, which did not put that in the plans. And so I ended up staying at home. Of course, it gave me plenty of time to watch my fabulous YouTube subscribers. So, hope you all had a great Memorial Day. And hopefully this will have only a few more weeks of this. This is getting monotonous. Talked to Suburban Rider earlier. He got home last night. I guess it was like 200 miles of storms. And he said he stayed dry. He had his rain gear on, which that's fantastic. Myself, I have not picked up rain gear yet, and that's something that's on my list. And I would have been just soaked. I mean, I rode from SRC 401 and 401 First Officers area last September, I believe it was. My memory fails sometimes. And it was storming. It actually hailed on me on the way back. And it was the whole way. And I'll tell you, whenever I got home, I was a drenched rat. Took every chance I could to get out of the rain. And luckily there's some nice little towns on the way that it was just nice to be able to stop in and get out of the rain a little bit, even though I was a drenched rat. Well, I'm here on an eventful ride and a boring vlog. Great to be chatting at you guys. I hope it wasn't too boring for you guys. And this is MuzzleMike signing out, hoping that you guys ride safe. And before you ride, always go over your bike, do your T-clock.